Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, Two Brothers Outdoors, Homestead Edition. I'm taking blade number 4 off from Saturday. It's done. And we hit something in a knot. Knots love to pick up garbage from the woods, dirt when a tree falls. So we got one more blade we're going to put on it tonight. We got 2 more logs to saw. Don't know what the story is behind this blade. It feels sharp. I don't know if it's been resharpened. Don't know if the teeth have been set. I got 2 more blades left that we don't know about. And they'll go on the mill as well as this one wears out. And if they're sharp, great. If they're not, they're going in the dumpster. And then we'll dive into the new box of blades. And that's going to hurt my heart. Blades have gone up to $32 a piece from $17 a piece when I bought the mill. Gotta love this economy. All right, we're not going to be sawing anymore this week. Temperatures are supposed to plummet. We're calling for a high of 0 on Friday and below 0 for a high on Saturday. If anything has found the bait piles, we may hunt on Saturday because we do have the heated stands. But other than that, it's going to be cold, and that is bitter cold. All right, guys, let me get this blade changed. Ted will join us in just a few minutes. He's busy getting things settled at his house, and we're going to saw up these other 2 logs, and hopefully one of them, 2 of them maybe, has spalting. We get the trailer out of the ice, which was a good thing. Stacked our wood up on the trailer. We'll back it up to the woodshed. Make it easier than trying to carry it through this stuff. As you can see, it's snowing again. This weather makes this treacherous. It's below freezing right now. That log is covered with ice. It's slicker than hell. We slid it on the mill, and if it didn't have the dogs or the knees up on the other side, it would have kept sliding right on through and down to the swamp. Got to be careful when things are frozen because it can get very dangerous. All right, you ready? I don't know what the story is on this blade. It's a different one. We'll find out. How's the blade doing? It's cutting good. Good. I don't know where that blade's been my whole life. It's a nice blade. Oh, is it new? No. Are you sure? I'm positive. That looks awful new to me. It's not. It's not rusty. Must be one we told early on. Looks amazing. Wow. How warm it gets in here just for the engine running. I know, I told you that the other night when mine was going. That's good, because I don't have to fire up the kerosene heater. That costs too much money. They're cheap. This one's kind of disappointing too. Got one little bit of spalting right there. Tiny bit right there. Pretty much this is just a highly figured log. That's alright. Not as high as demand as spalting, but we'll sell it. It'll go. Got it. See the slide? Yep. Last chance of spalting. Last maple we got. Hope this was spalted.
What happened?
I don't know, the damn knee slipped down or something. Must be from the ice. You know, it can't be the dog system, that's too good.
Pretty maple, no smalting, no.
Little tiny bit right here. That's it.
There went that blade. There went that blade. That wood just hard on everything, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
What'd you hit?
Yeah. Okay. So this one's got very little spalting in the ends. It's kind of figured, but not as highly figured as the other ones. So we cut it in half, so we'll have, we'll put this one in the box. I think we'll be able to sell it faster in the box. We cut this at 4/4 instead of 5/4. Crafter's special right here. So we figured we cut one piece too thick. So we run it back to the mill. Cut it at 4/4, which is 1 inch. Yeah, we're gonna get a couple of $5 boards out of that one. That'll be fine. Okay, guys. Unfortunately, we didn't find any spalting in any of that maple to amount to anything. We did get some nicely figured stuff. We cut it at 5/4. What?
Some nicely figured stuff.
Yeah. Speaking of figured, look at this.
Yes, look at that.
Mama got after me with a razor. Alright, so anyway, we'll leave the stuff that's 8 foot long, 5/4. We'll put that off to the side in one of the wood sheds, and we'll sell it. It won't go as fast as the spalting did, but it'll go. And unfortunately, the last video we put out, Bucktails Don asked me, how much does the blade cost?
$32.
Yeah, well, last time we bought blades, they were $17.54.
Because Sawdust was smart. I bought them in Boonville.
Well, blades have gone up to $32, and unfortunately, with this economy, we're already not doing like we used to do. Not as bad as we could be doing, but not as good either. It's going to force us to raise our prices.
Gonna force you to sharpen your blades more.
Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, the economy is going to force us to raise our prices. Gas is up. Kerosene is up.
Yep. Everything's up.
And the blades have almost doubled in price. That's ridiculous.
Well, gas is more than doubled.
I know, but still. We've been able to hold our prices down, and it's just we're not going to be able to. And I'm hoping it doesn't hurt us any worse than what it already has. We got the cherry on the mill. We will be able to cut that. Maybe one night this week it was not too cold, but like I said, temperatures are dropping.
0.
But it's supposed to be up to 36 by next Tuesday.
Oh, good.
So that'll be a heat wave. All right, guys. Thanks for watching our movies. Hit the notifications bell. You don't want to miss any of our videos.
Thumbs up, subscribe.
Thumbs up, subscribe, and our watch hours are coming up pretty good. So
Do
you guys,
our playlist. Just keep doing the playlist.
you guys are doing a good job. All right, guys. Until the next one, we'll see you later.